Welcome to Unique Vehicles NJ, importer of JDM Vehicles from Japan, offer this RHD, 1994 model, 4x4 Honda Acty van. This Honda Acty van is imported from Japan and available for sale in Livingston, New Jersey. This Honda Acty van has many features which make it stands out from other JDM vans available in the market. This is Super DX Honda Acty van. This RHD van has very clean interior, seats are not torn and very clean cabin. It has 4x4 drivetrain which is very much in demand feature. This van has 5-speed, manual transmission. Factory fitted air conditioner. Very clean dashboard. Foldable back seat. Nice and clean exterior. Equipped with alloy wheels. Ample luggage bag space. Low mileage, has run just 86,347 kilometers equals 53,535 miles only. This van has factory-fitted AM/FM radio and cigarette lighter. For more details about this RHD Honda Acty 4x4 van, please contact Unique Vehicles NJ. By visiting our website www.uniquevehiclesnj.com or call 973-303-9267 or WhatsApp 973-789-1733.